Hello guys, very good morning. Chilling Winters has already begun. So let's do it. Today I'm gonna plant all my saplings of marigold into a big bucket. So I'm gonna show you that. I have already prepared. I have added all my kitchen waste, lots of soil in that carrot, and now I'm gonna plant these saplings. Yeah, cute saplings that I have remains. I'm gonna plant in that carrot. Right, I have placed all my kitchen waste of 3 days and soil and some cow dung manure. Now I have these cow dung manures I have to put inside. Then I'll plant my saplings. Then I'm gonna show you. So stay tuned. Let's begin. हम थोड़ा पानी ऐड करेंगे because we want all these new soil to settle first. So I'm gonna add some sand inside for the proper passing of water, and I'll put inside. Okay. So my saplings finally came out. Now I'm gonna plant all these inside. As you can see, their roots are properly grown up, right? So that will be best for them. बहुत अच्छे से इसकी जड़ें वापस आई है. That's great. Finally, all the saplings have been planted. Now I'm gonna put cow dung manure inside that. So finally, all the saplings have been planted. Now let's wait. Be patient. It will bloom one day.